Akiaria ari kaunti-ini ya Nyeri igongona ria kanitha wa PCA Rurengo uria wari munini wa president Rigathi Gachagua augite bururi-ini wateire mwerekera rungu rwa thirikari ya Jubilee na Kenya Kwanza no ari na kihonia. Gachagua arauga angĩiyũkio nĩ ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro angĩrongoreria sekta cia gĩthomo na ũgima wa mwĩrĩ iria augĩte nĩ ithararĩte na gĩcunjĩ kĩnene.
If Kenyans elect me as president, Mungu akikubali, I don't want to promise lies to the people of Kenya. I want to do only one thing, to restore the Kenyan state to where MWAKA left us. And few things we want to do only. Make sure we restore our health system, that when you go to hospital, there are drugs. Restore NHIF so that when you have a card and you go to hospital, you are treated and you go home.
AKIONEKA kung'ethera President William RUTO augĩte Kenya Kwanza ndĩbatiĩ kwĩiganania na wathani ona wĩra ũrĩa warutirwo rungu rwa thirikari ya Mwai Kibaki, akiuga bũrũri wĩna thirĩ wa mũigana wa tiririoni 12.
Those who made money, I included, we did it during the reign of Mwai Kibaki. Not a single day did he brag and boast to the people of Kenya or how educated he is. When we look at the one saying how educated he is, in 3 years, the things he has done, abductions and extrajudicial killings, theft of public resources, destruction of the health system, destruction of the education system, gangs and militias harassing women all over. That, to him, is a benefit of education.
Gachagua oho nĩ augĩte angĩiyũkia mweke ũcio no anine kaimana imwe cia tabarĩra iria ciambĩrĩirio nĩ President Ruto ta igoti rĩa nyũmba rĩrĩa augĩte nĩ rĩa kũhatĩka Mũkenya.
Rigathi Gachagua wants to restore the dignity of the payslip. Most of you here who have a payslip, it has been raided and you have no purchasing power. That is why Kenyans are in trouble. Rigathi Gachagua will restore the dignity of the payslip by scrapping the first day the housing levy and handing over all those houses to the county governments.
Kĩoneki kĩa Rigathi gĩokĩte rĩrĩ ngwatanĩro ya mũng'ethanĩro yugĩte no ĩrecũrania no ũkarirũkia bendera ya mũng'ethanĩri wa President Ruto irebe-ini. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV rĩtwa rĩakwa nĩ Mwaura wa Ndung'u.